What pairs well with Pinot Noir? I like to say, in general, what grows together goes together. And Pinot Noir, along with other cooler climate grape varieties, tend to do incredibly well with the elements that grow naturally in a forest or cooler climate, a wetter region. So what I really love is Pinot Noir with the chanterelle mushrooms that grow in the forests here that we forage for every harvest, the morel mushrooms, the the salumi that is really naturally made around here. So aged hamon, aged salami, sheep. Oh my gosh, lamb is fantastic with Pinot Noir. And we have a lot of lambs that graze in our vineyards as well, so it's a very natural pairing. But I also love Pinot Noir with really fun things like a pepperoni pizza or a really, just fairly rare and juicy hamburger as well. Smash burgers are fantastic with Pinot Noir.